Fold your fabric into two. Measure 1 inches at the top and rule a line. The measurement for this top is 17. You measure to the end and rule a line. Add 1 inches for seam allowance. You measure 2 inches and fold it. That's for the buttons and bottoms holes. Make sure it's 2 inches. Iron it well. And pin it. Check if it's still 2 inches. And take your neck measurement. I'm using 3 inches by 2 inches for the neck measurement. Sorry, I used free hand here. I like using free hand. The across back for this dress is 16 divided by 2, you get 8. Shoulder to chest line is 9 inches. You measure your 8 inches that you had from the shoulder and you join. You measure 1 inches for across back. Divide the 8 inches, which you will get 4 inches, and come in by half inches for the armhole. The bust measurement for this dress is 10 inches, an allowance of 1.5. You rule your shoulder line and just watch what I'm doing and follow it. The waist measurement we are using is 34 divided by 4. You get 8.5, allowance 1.5. Then you join. After joining, let's cut the fabric. Measure half inches at the top of the shoulder slant. And cut it. That's for sewing. The half inches is for sewing. Measure half inches for armhole sewing. You place the front on the back to measure the back neckline. The measurement for the back neckline is 3 inches by 1 inch. Let's cut the back first. Let's cut the armhole. We are cutting the back armhole first. Since both back and front is placed together, we remove the front from the back and shape the back by going in by 1 inches. This is done to make the back sit well. After that, we proceed on cutting the front armhole. Let's work on the front first. We remove the pin and split it into 2. Remove the right and let's work on the left. You iron it well. Please follow what I'm doing for both right and left. This is the left. You fold it again and iron. Then you pin it. The left is for the buttons. Let's move to the right. For the right, we will add stiff to it to make it firm for the bottoms holes. For the ladies, the bottoms holes comes at your right side. Fold it and iron it and fold it again. Watch the process. Then you pin it. Let's proceed to the sleeve. The sleeve length for this dress is 18 inches. You fold 2 inches at the bottom and you iron. follow the process. You add allowance to it. I normally add 1.5 allowance over there. Yes. Then you cut. Please, you will cut 2 of the sleeve. Measure the 30.4 plus allowance, making 32, and fold it into 4. The length plus the 5.4 with allowance is the 32 I'm measuring. Yes. After the radius 5.4, you mark it round. That's what I'm doing. The 5.4 that I got. Also, remember that the 6.28 is used throughout for everybody. When you want to sew a 360-degree flare, that's the radius you will use. Yes, so I'm marking it round. Also mark the 25 inches length round. You measure 12 inches and mark a straight line to meet the 12 inches you marked. Make sure it's straight. Check and make sure it's 12 inches. Join the 12 inches to the corner of the other inches. Do the same for the other side. Please watch what I'm doing and follow the step. Let's cut the fabric now. Please follow the step. See how I'm cutting. After cutting, this is how it looks like. You can see the shape at the end. Notch both sides and open one side. We are done with the cutting. This is the handkerchief flare. The top, front and back. Both sleeve. Please join me on the sewing tutorial on my next video. Kindly subscribe and make sure you press on the like button. Thank you.